Hi guys! I know it's been a pretty long time for when I did like a kind of video with my like background and stuff like that, but I'm so excited because I have a new wig, and you guys know, if you guys have been following me for a long time, you guys know how much I love wigs. I even loved wigs before like I had cancer and like had to go through all of that. So this is a new wig. And you guys know, if you guys have been following me for a very long time, you guys know UNIWIGS is like one of my all-time favorite wigs. I wanted to do kind of an unboxing, putting it on, everything, because I'm so excited because, as I said about a billion times already, I love wigs. Comes with a little baggie, and we're gonna open this together. I've opened the box. I haven't even like taken it out of here. So here's a little baggie. Inside it comes with this little tool here. And then it has the wig caps, and I'm so excited for this. Like, this has been here for maybe a week. I've been sick, so I haven't been filming and stuff like that. So I'm very excited. I haven't even opened this to see how she looks. Oh, she is gorgeous! Oh my gosh. Oh, she's so soft. I love the UNIWIGS. They are always so incredibly soft, and I love that like they're like pre-curled like perfectly. It's just the best. They have these little tip clips in here to keep it open and everything. So here she is. Wow. She's so soft. I love the color of her. She is beautiful. I'll put the stats for this wig down below for you guys, or maybe on this side if I can. She is so pretty. So on the inside, you can see it has these little clips here that you can actually make them bigger and smaller. So I'm actually going to take it off and then make it a little bit tighter, just because I know how my head is, and I normally have to get it like as close to the edge as possible, and then the other side as well. All right, so I have them right here. This one is actually different than it normally is. Usually it's kind of just flat. Now it has a little curved area, so it would like stay better, which is amazing. So I'm gonna take my hair off. My hair is a hot mess, and it is, you know, fairly long. So we're gonna take out a wig cap. I don't know if you guys have never used a wig cap, but this is how I do it. I'm not gonna say I'm doing it wrong. I'm not gonna say I'm doing it right, but this is just what I do. I keep my hair all up how it is. Kind of basically like this, making sure it's behind my ears, kind of put it up there. And then I take all of my hair, because I do have a lot of hair and it's very curly and thick. I just kind of put it in a kind of a bunish area. Then I'm putting it up, and then I just like spread it everywhere. Kind of like, just again, I like to like spread it so it's just kind of everywhere. It's not just like one big piece in one spot. So just kind of do like that. Put it right on my forehead. All right, she's in. You can see it's fairly flat. You can even in the back, it's fairly flat with all of my hair, like it fits in there perfectly. So we're gonna start off right off with the wig. I'm just gonna flip it over, and it has these little clips to go in. I'm not sure how it's gonna have to go in underneath the clip, because there won't have anything to put through the clip. But if it's tight enough with these things, you probably won't even need to use the little clip things, but we will see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over first. I always use the bottom one with my real hair. All right, so I have it on. You guys can see, you can pretty much put whatever part you guys want. I usually do a center part just because I think it looks best on me, but it's up to you however you would like to style it. If you want to style it and tilt it to the side, go for it. It's all about you. So this is adorable. I'm gonna go ahead and probably straighten this as well, just so you guys can see the difference between how it looks straightened and how it looks curled and everything, so you guys can see how it all is. But this is so nice. As you guys know, I only have that one clip at the bottom. There is the one up here as well. Didn't need to use it. Just because I use those ones that I like clip them in and pull them tight. This is like very sturdy. You guys can see like I'm doing all these things. I'm gonna have a headache now. But like this is on. Like this is on. So you guys can see here it has a very small lace, which is like really nice. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys how I cut the lace. It is one of the easiest things ever. All you really need is a pair of scissors, and you're just gonna like kind of cut around it, not cutting it, because if you cut the knots, you're missing a piece of the hair. So you want to make sure you're cutting it like close to the hairline as possible without cutting it. All right, so you guys can see here is the end. So we are going to start cutting this, and you just do small little cuts. And then every time you're gonna use your hands, and I use my, like these two fingers, and then you're just gonna cut as close to the knots as you can, but not too close. So you can see you're just, I always like make it tight, like really tight, and then I cut through it. And you're just gonna do it as close to the knots as you possibly can. So you guys can see there's the knots right there, and you're gonna cut right along the edge, and that is literally it. I would go as slow as you need. So I have cut it before and I've hit a knot, and that's okay. Just try your best. And you can see I'm going fairly slow just because I do not want to cut any of them. And you literally just go this all the way. It is a fairly slow process. You could go faster, but you have a higher chance of you hitting it and cutting a knot. So, and you guys can see here, my lines and my cuts are not perfect, and that's okay because you're never gonna be able to see it. And as you can see, these knots, I'm not sure if you're able to see, but the very tip of them are bleached, which is so nice. You'll never notice where like the hairline starts. It is so good. Wigs are always the best when they have them bleached at the knots, because then you wouldn't ever see like them being tied. So like it literally just looks like hair coming out of the head, and that is the best. All right, so this is fully cut. Looks beautiful. I did a great job, if I do say myself. But I'm gonna put this back on my head, and then we can see what we're looking at. All right, so here it is, close, with no lace. It looks phenomenal. You guys can see here, it looks like it's just coming right through my scalp. Oh, this is, one of the best wigs I've had in a really long time. I'm obsessed. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna quickly go straighten this just so you guys can see the difference between straight and curly, and I will be right back. All right, so you know you have a good wig when the hair looks just as good curly as it is straight. Look how amazing this looks. I'm so obsessed, and this is like kind of making me want to cut my hair because like this length is so cute. It's like short but like also long, if that makes sense. You know, like short would be like kind of here, but like it's like cute but short, and it's, I'm obsessed. I think they did an amazing job. The coloring as well, with it's like the darker here and it blends to like blondies. Just everything about this wig is absolutely stunning and absolutely perfect. I am so glad I have this wig. I'm gonna be using this like all day, every day with any of my videos, and like this is fire. Again, I will put the link for this wig down below. So if you guys are looking for a new wig, or you need a wig, anything like that, this is for you. UNIWIG, again, you guys nailed it. This is so good. I can't stop looking at it. I'm like looking at myself and I'm like, gosh, I haven't been blonde in a long time. Everything about this is absolutely perfect. The ends are great. This whole thing is just so incredibly soft. You guys, like, are you guys not like loving it as much as I am? Because I'm obsessed. So again, I will put everything about this wig down below. I'll put the link, I'll do everything. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my Instagram, and I also have a TikTok too. I don't have very many subscribers on TikTok, but help me kind of get more subscribers. I literally have like 200. So add me on that, Instagram, all of this good stuff. I promise I'm trying to post as much as I can for YouTube, but you know, we're pregnant right now, and we have Carson right now, so it's just kind of a lot. I'm literally trying my best, but I love filming, no matter it's my nails, which I just recently did. I just did a video on it on Instagram, but I love filming, and I miss that I haven't been able to do it very much, but I love you guys so much, but I will talk to you guys later. Bye.